Hi everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you something different and new recipe, and let's start the recipe. You all join me. Healthy aloo bondas. These are not deep fry. I just shallow fry with the butter. So ingredients needed for this are 4 barbecue potatoes, but you can even take 4 boiled potatoes. I've taken half spoon. I've added half spoon red chili powder, half spoon salt, and 1 spoon finely chopped coriander leaves, and half spoon mint leaves. These are dried mint leaves. So if you can do like these in your hands and add it, then it gives nice flavor. Other than I'm going to add squeeze lemon juice, half lemon juice, lime juice. Actually you can even use lemon juice. Right now I have lime. This is half lime juice. I'm going to mix it well. I mixed it well, and I'm going to make round balls out of this. So I've taken small portion and I've rolled them into balls. I've taken 1/4 cup chickpea flour, and I have added a pinch of carom seeds and half spoon salt and half spoon red chili powder, and I added enough water to make the batter like this. So here my panyaram is getting heated, and I'm going to do these with the butter. I've taken half spoon butter. So out of this I'm going to add half of this to the panyaram. So this tastes good with the butter, but you can even do with the oil. It's up to you. I like butter. So this will save your deep frying process. Butter is getting melted, so I'm going to drop each ball, and with the spoon I'm going to drop slowly into the panyaram. So I'm going to do rest of them similarly. Here my second aloo bonda is getting ready, and third ones. So I'm going to fill it up the whole panyaram. This tastes too good. You can even make this as a stuffing into your bread for sandwiches. So after this I'm going to cover it with the lid and reduce my flame. Here they are getting ready. I covered with the lid. I've already turned them. So you can eat them with, you can add to any of your wraps or even tortillas, or you can sandwich, or you can eat as vada pav. So I'm going to show you as vada pav also. So once they get done on the side also, then I'm going to show you how it looks. So I'm applying little more butter. So it is the same half spoon butter. So this I'm going to use for next one. You can actually do it with spoon also. Just I want to minimize the butter adding. That's the reason I'm doing with the hand. Looks yummy. I'm going to take them off. So fork is best to take them off. Some breaks, but that's okay. If it is cooked, then it's okay. You don't have to worry. So this is wet. Still, it's not cooked. I'm going to keep that portion. This looks okay. Then this needs some cooking. So I'm going to cover them for some more time. This is how it looks. Let me taste. This is how it is inside. Let me taste and let you know the taste. It's very tasty. It has that minty taste, and it has that butter taste, and it tastes with the lemon. It all combined when incorporated with the lemon juice. It's tasty, very tasty. Do try this, guys. If you like this recipe, share with your friends. And if you are first time to my channel, subscribe my channel. And for full recipe, look into the description box below. And thank you for watching.